Hi guys, so we can see that what previous week we have discussed about the some commodities. So we can see here guys what happened exactly. It has taken a resistance somewhere here only for the crude oil. You can see that exactly taken resistance. Our first target also reached, second target and third target. You have to book here your 80% guys, because this is the one of the thing is that after you have to take something from the market, you do not have to take whole rally. Okay guys, so you have booked somewhere 70% here only guys. After that you have to take a your SL up till here, even here only. So our all three target has been reached. After that it became reversible. After that you can see that continuously buyer has taking it upside momentum. They are trying. After here broke, you can see that after they have taken it upside, but what happened, it came once again for supporting here. So our all three target has been reached guys in crude oil. Okay guys, we can see in natural gas also. In natural gas you can see here what I have told you. If it will take resistance, then only go for. Okay guys, if you have taken somewhere at this candle only and your SL will be here, okay guys, nothing will happen. Your SL will be heated somewhere here. You can see here guys what happened is that here somewhere only you have to take your position or you have to don't. It's up till you, because this is the green candle also made of so many big, and this red candle also, both are same. Okay guys, after that whenever it will crosses at a downside momentum or upside momentum, it has to cross. After this is crossing, you can see that how nicely one-sided momentum has been given. If you are scalper, you have been seen here only the making very nice momentum. So you have got very nice within two candle guys. After that it became in a consolidation phase. This is the trend line what I have drawn, but these two trend line has been not worked so much well, because this is natural gas is very much volatile because of, you know, that the war is going on. So so much volatile. After that you can see here exactly reaches up till here. This is the resistance area. I have told you if it will take support, then only go for upside momentum. I will just shift it for you guys. You can get it. So you can see here exactly taken somewhere here only resistance. So after that somewhere here only taking resistance, I have taken a short position, and my SL will be this upside. This is the my resistance area. So my SL will be very small. I have bought somewhere here only. After that I have get my first target, second target. Okay guys, after that in this trend line only taking here somewhere support at this green candle only I have exited whole, because I think that it gonna be reversible. After that it taken a small pause, taken somewhere here support, and going upside momentum doing. Okay guys, here also you have got very nice trade, and here also. Okay guys, you have seen the price action, so you have got very nice momentum here also. We can see in what, you know, that gold. Okay guys, if you are a very nice player, you can see that exactly taking so much resistance. So you have bought somewhere at this, shorted at this here only, and you have kept your SL at this week. You can see that our first target easily reached, second target also reached within 3 hours. Our two target reached after becoming a consolidation phase has been gone. You can see that third target, fourth target, exactly fifth target also reached smallly little bit. After that only reversible. You can see that how nicely. After then also I have told you this will act as resistance, taken resistance and came down once again. Our two target reached up till here also. Okay guys, what happened is that I am seeing at this place only. I have shorted somewhere here, but I have kept my SL at this place, because this week is very important for us, because here are buyer or sellers have been fighting. Here somewhere I think that SL will beat it. After that I am saying this red candle, I am confirmed it will came down. So at this somewhere here only, this red candle only I am exited guys, because I have to square off. I do not consider to take it as a carry forward. I always square off in a weekly only. So I have square off, and I have got very nice trade. I hope you have got very nice trade, because we have got our all five target here, guys, and also here also two small target up till here only and something exited, so we do not get very big risk to reward, but it's okay. 1:2 we have got also. Okay, guys. So we have also seen in coffee also, you can see here exactly that only happened. Here only you have bought somewhere, your SL will be somewhere here. You can see that exactly it will be hit our SL, but our SL will be somewhere here. So nothing happened. Consolidation has been happened. Here only somewhere I have triggered my whole profit has been booked. After that, you can see that this is the very strong buying zone. After this green candle has been made in, this pause candle has been made in, after that this is green candle is going on. So what happened is that I have kept my SL at this green candle low and I have buy, so my risk is very small. I've got very nice reward up till here, so I have taken a risk, smaller risk. So I have taken a risk. After that somewhere here only I think that I will exit, but I kept it. After that, sorry guys, after that only you can see up till here I have booked my whole profit, because I have triggered that. I have kept it that if it will came up till here, my whole profit will be booked. So my whole profit has been booked here only at not this top, at this resistance place. Okay guys, little bit down only, 2 to 3.40 only. So I have booked my profit in downside also. I have get very nice, and upside momentum also very nice target. Okay guys, if you like this video guys, go and like this video and subscribe my channel guys. I have made so many learning videos guys. Learning in the sense I have made it those analysis, weekly analysis. Go and check out, because I have told you how I have traded, what logic behind it. If you see that those, so you have properly get it how I have traded, what I have, my psychology, and how I have done all these trades. So go and check out, so you also become a very good trader. You don't have to see anybody's analysis, or don't have to pay somebody to give a call or something. So you have become a very nice trader, then nobody has to give you any call. You made such a good money, you even you can give call to somebody who are in the initial stage. Okay guys, like this video also you have to make. So please do made. If you are learning this type, please comment down if you like this video guys. Thank you guys.